If you operate a Mercedes Sprinter cargo van 2500 for business use, tire alignment and the rotation of your tires is the difference between getting 65,000 miles or burning through them within 30,000 miles. In this video, I'm breaking down what an alignment actually does, what I pay for in my local marketplace, and why skipping it can cost Sprinter van operators who use their Mercedes Sprinter for commercial delivery use thousands of dollars. Now, what is an alignment? Alignment just means your wheels are pointing in the correct direction and they're sitting at the correct angle. If they are slightly off, even just by a little, your tires will drag instead of rolling clean. Now, what does that drag do that I just mentioned? The drag will create an uneven wear on your Sprinter van tires, usually on the inside or the outside. What is tire rotation? It is very simple. It's rotating your front tires to your back so you can have even wear throughout all of your tires. Now, here's a quick tip with your front tires for Sprinter van owner operators. Your front tires will wear faster. So if you're in a marketplace where there's a lot of rain, you're doing a lot of city stop and go, it is very, very important you keep an eye on those front tires. Also, steering and braking stresses the front tires more as well. And this is why it's so important to rotate your tires to get that even wear, and most importantly, for you can have the longevity of the tires, which, like I said before, with my first batch of Michelin tires, I was able to stretch them out to 65,000 miles. Not doing this, like I said, you can be burning through these, 20 to 30,000 miles, and this is costing you more. A quick interruption. It is finally here. You all have asked, and now I have delivered. Sign up for my email list below, where you will have access to free workshops where we will be discussing marketing and advertising strategies to increase revenue for your cargo van business, how to create a website for your cargo van business, how to come up with simple and easy creative advertisings for your flyers and business cards to leave with your clients and future clients to generate more revenue and traffic, and most importantly, word of mouth. I told you all before, the number one mistake that new cargo van business owners make is not collecting data. We're going to bring all of this together so you can print money in your local marketplace. Sign up below. It is free to have access to free workshops to increase your value in your local marketplace with your cargo van business. Sign up below. Now, back to the video. Okay, so what did I pay for in my marketplace? I have two examples for you. I got them rotated and aligned at the Mercedes-Benz dealership, and I did it at an independent shop locally here. All right, so this is both of them came right under $100. Okay, so for the independent shop, let's see, the independent shop is $98.65, and this is taxes as well. And for at the Mercedes-Benz dealership, $99.75. All right, so they're neck and neck. Comparing that to replacing two front tires yearly, it's a very, very small investments. And this is what this channel is for, to prevent costly repairs and to save you money. So for less than $100, depending on how much driving that you're doing, it's very inexpensive just to have your tires rotated and for them to be aligned so you can get that even wear and to maintain a good drive while you're out handling your business. Okay, here's what's going to happen if you choose to skip it, which I highly recommend you do not skip this. If alignment is off and you choose to skip it, here's what happens. One edge of the tires wears out. You're replacing tires sooner when you could have just made a small investment, costing you more time, loss of revenue. Now this increases your downtime with something that could have been avoided with a small $100 investment. Your braking performance decreases and suspension parts wear faster. That's how small maintenance neglect turns into bigger repairs. If you haven't watched the tire selection video, watch this next video here, where I break down to you the best tires for Sprinter van owner operators that operate over the road, or if you operate within city miles and you're doing a lot of stop and go. I break down to you the best tires for Sprinter van owner operators. Safe travels out there on the road. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.